I said goodbye to people, packed all my stuff down. It feels nice ending a chapter and starting a new one, but ending a chapter while it's peaking rather than letting it sour. You know, we gotta learn from these things, you know, end relationships while they're good, and living in a place while it's good. Don't ride it out until it spoils, you know. Last leg of the journey, bus ride to Svendborg. It's a very fitting track. Daria just told me today, we're just gonna stay friends. She doesn't want any more than that. I'm just like, alright girl, no problem. So I'm just gonna be cooking some food for me, Bogdan, Anas, maybe some Ukrainian guys are gonna come by. I went all out. It's all organic. I bought a bunch of spices. I filled up the fridge with some soda and some strawberry and elderflower concentrate. We got the minced meat for the food. We got some citrus concentrate, all organic by the way. We got sparkling water to mix with this stuff to make our own kind of delicious soda that's kind of healthy or not that bad. We got some Faxe Kondi for Anas, he loves that. Got some Coke. I'm just gonna try and use this, keep this fridge full of like nice drinks for the staff. And also I cleaned up this fridge recently, but now I'm gonna make my famous spaghetti bolognese, inspired by my mom's spaghetti bolognese, but considerably better. You know, I talked to Bogdan about this with Daria, and yeah, he just let me know how Ukrainian girls operate, and it may not be completely over, as in he may start showing an interest now that now that I'm gonna detach completely. I hope that's not the case. I'm like, the moment people stop desiring me, I stop desiring them, you know. I like girls who like me, and you can't really convince me of that if you've already said no thanks. But let's cook some delicious food, hang with the guys. Tomorrow there's a meeting whether or not I'm gonna be a member. It looks like I'm gonna become accepted, you know. I've already been handed a Tutten handbook, you know, the rules. So yeah, everything's looking good, and I can store my stuff here, and I can charge my wheel here, I can refrigerate stuff, I can wash my clothes, I can do all kinds of shit. It's so nice, man. I'm so happy. Jamen tak.
Fandme lækkert.
Du er nok den vildeste til at køre på den der, jeg har set indtil videre. Du er nok den vildeste til at køre på den der, jeg har set indtil videre. Hey! Nice. Den er lidt speciel, hva'? Listening to the parcels all day and hanging out with these nice people, it's just completely making it so that how could I feel any negative feelings? Like, I'm good. It's just inconsequential, the rejection, you know? It's really nice to be at this level. I just sewed the pants. They had kind of one of the pockets had kind of opened up. I'm not gonna fault Jewel for that. It happened after she handed them over to me, but pretty immediate. But I'm so happy with these pants. I'm gonna be able to keep these alive forever. And if ever there's gonna be like a tear here, I can just cut out this square, or whatever shape it has in here, and just leave a little edge, like a little 1 centimeter edge. Just cut out the inner and put another patch there, like another piece of fabric. Fixed, done. It's gonna be so easy to repair these. So endlessly appreciative of Jewel. She's making me a second pair. I commissioned a second pair. They're gonna be brown, so I'm basically only gonna be wearing this type of pant from now on. Ah, Jewel, she's so nice. So happy I got to spend some time with her yesterday. And Naya and Jewel, they heard I was leaving, so they quickly whipped up an amazing meal. Ah, they're so wonderful. When you don't live with your mother, living with two women like that, that gets pretty close, you know? I spooled my powerful string over in this one to just decomplexify my setup, reduce some weight, even if just a tiny bit. It's just I ran out of black string. The young guys went home. It's just us old guys here. Guys, I'm just listening to parcels. I just said goodbye to the guys. They were closing down. No reason to stay. It's probably closed by now. But yeah, I'm going over to the beach. Gonna set up the tent. I don't really care. I think I'm on good terms with the beach people here. So yeah. I'm gonna set up my tent though, because it's potentially gonna rain. So maybe that's gonna be a bit of an issue, but as long as I wake up early, I don't think it should be that big of a deal. Guess I could set up it up there, but I don't really want to. I want the beach. Oh shit, I forgot the filters for my tobacco. Let me go back. Fuck, guys, I just thought it was about to be over. Dude, I had just parked my wheel right outside of the gas station to go buy some filters. What happens? I park the wheel, I take my helmet off, I put it on the wheel, and what happens? The goddamn motherfucking cops park right next to me. And I'm like, fuck. I'm gonna have my wheel confiscated. Fuck. You know, so I just politely buy the filters that I was gonna buy. Wish him a good evening. I'm just trying to give the best impression from the cop standing right behind me. Just trying to be really nice and cordial, you know? So maybe they think, you know what, this guy has a big hiking backpack on. He's obviously homeless, and he's got that thing, whatever. Let him go, you know? I was so lucky, guys. They didn't take it. They didn't even look at it. They didn't even care, man. They were busy. They just needed to get something and get out of there. Whew. Let's go. Maybe if I just ride kind of slowly around town, it won't be an issue. I mean, they've seen me. They had the chance to take it. But they didn't do shit. So maybe if I just behave myself somewhat, you know me, I like to go fast. But if I just somewhat behave myself, maybe it's all gonna be fine. Okay, well, time to set up a tent. Check it out, guys. I'm in the tent with my new light. It is so nice. It's like the perfect brightness right now. I couldn't have made it any better if I wanted to. This is gonna be my main tent light. And then the orange one, which is a bit beefier. even if I put it on this setting and I turn it all the way down, this is the lowest setting possible right here for this thing. You can see it's kind of like a sun next to this thing. It's not really that nice if you accidentally look into it. Whereas this one, I can just stare directly into it. It's all good, you know? I'm happy. That's a very nice light. I'm still gonna keep this one because it's very nice for outdoor camp light. You know, you can put it on full blast and like this and hang it up in a tree or something. And this thing is really bright. This is without, and this is with. You can tell it's pretty bright. And it's not even like directional. It just kind of spreads the light out and then in a 180 cone. It's really, really nice for outdoor stuff. First time setting up my tent in Svendborg. I've had a wonderful day. Absolutely amazing, to the point where I just forgot that Daria ended things. She's gonna regret it because I'm gonna be just my regular happy self, but I'm just not gonna be flirting with her. Let's see how she takes it. She's the one who wanted to be friends. I don't know. I think she liked me, you know, spending a lot of time with her in a non-friendly manner, in a flirtatious manner. But we'll see. Ultimately, these girls, they got a lot of stuff to figure out, okay? And I'm perfectly fine in the meantime. But I'm probably gonna have to go to another country, like another continent, if I want a chance of it actually being nice for me. Because with Daria, it was just me basically simping, you know, just basically doing most of the talking, and like taking her out on a little morning date, getting some expensive pastries, and I don't know. I wasn't really getting anything from her. You know, I wasn't really getting any kind of affection, or I mean, I could tell she was kind of attracted somewhat, maybe not enough. But in any case, enough about that. Hey, listen, forget about it. I almost had. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to Stony now. I'm pretty good with the beach people here, so I don't think I'm gonna get woken up. The cops even fucking saw the wheel. They didn't do shit. Like, this fucking town is amazing, man. Fucking love it already. Let's go. Let's get Stony in here.